Dear all, today in this video I'll be sharing few trading ideas both from FNO space and cash space. FNO I will be sharing 5 stock ideas, 4 on long side and 1 on short side, and in cash I'll be sharing 3 stock ideas. So let's quickly get started. Let's start with the stocks that are listed in derivative segment. The first on my list is Per Finance Corporation. Let me start with quickly drawing a simple trend line so that you can learn from yourself. So you can clearly see this stock is has given a good breakout on Friday with a good volume. This is the kind of previous resistance that it had, and it has started to move out of this zone. So with good volume. So I'm looking for a target of about 130 kind of a zone. This is my target area, which I'm looking in coming days, not immediately, like not just tomorrow itself, but yes, in coming days, I'm looking for the target of 128 to 130 zone. And in terms of stop loss, I will be exiting this trade if it closes below 116. So let me type it for you. Uh, so stop loss of 116 for a target of 128 to 130 zone. Hope this is clear. So next stock that I have in my list, which I will be tracking for the next few weeks, a few days, is Grasim Industries. Uh, Again, this stock is again coming out of a breakout zone with a nice breakout on Grasim industry. You can clearly see this is, and it is also respecting the trend line. So it is from the lower side of the trend line, it's clearly moving up. So right now this is the resistance, which I think it has closed below above this. So I'm looking since again it is on the upside, already on the upside. I'm going to calculate the profit percentage here. So about 10450, 1465 is the resistance, and so I'll be calculating the difference between the two ranges, so two lines. So in this case 1270, almost about 190 points. So my target will be about 200 points, so 190 odd points. So clearly a good investment bet here. So the I will be looking to exit this stock if it closes below 1405, and I'm looking for a target of about stop. Let me put it here. Stop loss below 1405 slash 10 for a target of about 190 odd points. So which will be around 106.50 to 106.60 zones. So it's again a good trading bet. So do keep a radar on the stock and trade as per your risk appetite. The next stock that I am looking for here is uh, Kotak Bank. Again, a very good stock and a very good company, very good portfolio, everything. So this again, if you can see, it has been coming down. So you can clearly see this uh, a downward trending. Just a minute. So let me just put it a simple moving uh, trend line. So it has been coming out of this zone now. Okay, you can clearly see this. It is first time it has started to come out of this zone. So it gave a good closing on Friday. So you can expect this stock to go about 180, 1872 to 75 kind of a zone. So this is somewhere close to this zone. So I'm looking for a target. Let me just put it here. So target. So let's start with stop loss. Stop loss. If it closes below 1750, I will be looking to exit the stock for a target of clearly 1872 to kind of 1875 zones. So this is again a very good stock. Do keep in your radar and do follow the stop loss. So the next stock that I am looking for here is Mahindra and Mahindra. Uh, so so you can clearly see again a decent breakout, very good breakout around this zone. It has been uh, forming a base uh, around this zone. So you can clearly see. So this is the first time that this stock actually is coming out of a range. So you can clearly see uh, this is the trading range that has been going on for quite some time now and forming a good base. And this is the stock, this is where it has given a good breakout. So our targets will be determined between the two lines. So again, around about 90 odd points. So you can clearly see 825 to around about 720. So about 100 points. So let's put it. So I will be exiting this trade below stop loss below 803 to 805 if it gives a closing below this for a target of about 120 points, sorry, 90 odd points from the current level of 845. So around about 930 is my target. So there's a good opportunity and a very good return opportunity with in terms of risk appetite. So next stock on my radar is Sun Pharma, but this is on the short side. So this is a short trade. So you can clearly see it was in a good uptrend, and so you can clearly see it has been going up. Sorry, just a minute. You can clearly see this stock has been on an uptrend, and you can clearly see, and this is the first time which is it is coming. So it has given a closing below this trend line. So it kind of is a confirmation that this stock can go downside. So it has given a good breakdown if you can see this. So this is a clear, and that too with a very good volume. So that it's a very clear indication that this stock is in a bearish mood right now, not for the timing. So I'm looking for a target of. So what would be my stop loss here? Stop loss, if it goes above 682, I will be exiting this trade. I am looking for a target of about 640 in this case. So hope this is very clear. So stop loss of 682 and a target of 640. This is my target zone, and I think it's pretty clear. So this is where it took the last support. So I'm looking for a target of about 642, 640 kind of a zone. Okay. So now let's move on to the cash segment. So cash, again, let's quickly. So these are the cash. I'll be sharing three stocks. So first one being mastec. I think most of you uh, are holding this stock and are sitting in decent gains. So if anybody has missed out, can still come into this. So you can see this has been in a consolidation for quite some time now. You can see this consolidation. So I think this is a very good opportunity to enter back into this trade if someone has missed out this trade. So I'm looking for a target of about 2200 to 250. This I've been already stating in my previous uh, trading ideas. So I will be looking to exit this stock if it closes below 875. Okay, 1875. So stop loss of 1875 for a target of 2200 to 250. Very nice bet you should be having in your portfolio. So I personally hold the stock. Next is Elcon. Elcon Engineering. This stock has come out of 12 to 13 years of consolidation with a good breakout. So it is a multi-year consolidation. Let me just for that so that you can understand what I'm trying to say. So you'll see this. Can you see this? So this has been the trading range for quite some time now. So this stock has first time come out of this consolidation range, and it's it can easily give you good returns. So I'm looking for a target of about 180 here. So currently trading at 111. So I'm looking for a target of about 180. So this is kind of the zone that I'm right now looking for. So let's look at the stop loss. Let's get into daily time frame to understand the stop loss. So so I'm looking for a target of 180, uh, and the stop loss, I would like to exit the stock if it starts to close below 90, 192. So let me put it uh, in front of you. So stop loss of 190, sorry, 91, 92 for a target of about 180, almost double. So very very good bet. I am sure everybody should be watching this stock in the near future. The next uh, stock on my list is JSH Industries. This stock has posted very very good results on Friday, and yeah, I think yesterday, sorry, yesterday, and again is coming out of a very good breakout in terms of monthly chart. So let's see in the monthly chart if you can clearly see uh, in the monthly chart, you'll see the breakout very clearly and very evidently. So you can see this. So it has been on a consolidation zone, a multi-year consolidation zone. It started to form some kind of a uptrend, and then again now you can see this green candle. So it's been on an uptrend now. So we will be tracking this stock, and it's kind of more like a techno funda stock now, techno funda idea, because uh, this stock is coming at a very very good valuations, pretty cheap valuations. So I think both from a technical point of view and from a fundamental point of view, you should be looking at this stock. This is a very cheap valuation, a very good value. I mean, getting this stock at a very very cheap valuation. So it should be on your radar. So let's look at the stop loss and targets for this. So currently trading at around uh, around about 88. Yeah, it's trading at around 88.75. So I'm looking for a target of 150 with a stop loss of 75 to 76. So let me just put it in writing. So target stop loss if it gives a closing below 75.76 for a target of uh, about 160. Okay, and again, as I said, this is kind of 2 to 3 months bet, 2 to 4 months you can say. I can 2 to 4 months time frame which I'm looking for. So hope everybody has noted down. Do let me know if you have any questions. Keep an eye on this trades in the coming weeks. Based on your risk appetite, you can enter this trades in cash, futures, or options. Thank you, and have a very very great evening. Bye.